This is a brand new 2015 Nissan Altima. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, side impact airbags, external temperature display, tinted glass, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, and a multi-link rear suspension. With an EPA estimated rating of 38 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency is still high on the list of priorities. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Thank you for considering Fenton Nissan East for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located in Del City on I-40, only 5 minutes east of Oklahoma City. We look forward to serving you.